Hi, I'm Lauren Iannotti, Editor-in-Chief of Real Simple, and welcome to the 2024 Real Simple Home. We're in Crown Heights, Brooklyn. We've taken over an 1890s brownstone, and that's 18 rooms of pure inspiration. Each year, the Real Simple editorial team works with a team of brilliant designers to create stunning designs, inspiring spaces, and cool ideas that you want to put right to work in your home. This year's designers include the Brownstone Boys, Jessica Davis, Kate Pearce, Mikel Welch, and so many others. Many of the items in this house are available for purchase, so scan the QR code and get shopping.
Welcome to the parlor floor of this beautiful historical townhouse, which is the entryway, living room, lounge, and kitchen. This place is all about this gorgeous original woodwork, and we really wanted to marry it with beautiful contemporary functionality.
To contrast the dark, heavy wood, we drew inspiration from the stained glass to bring in lighter, romantic tones. I really love the red swivel chairs and that rich velvet fabric.
And we added a circular dining table in the window nook flanked by these beautiful bay windows. So as you pass through the living room, the next room that you're gonna go into is this lounge space. And we made it into a space that you'll wanna sit down, have a cocktail, faint onto the fainting couch.
Who doesn't want a fanny couch?
And it's just a really cozy space.
I personally really love the wallpaper. You get texture, you get tone, you get color, which I'm all for.
See anything in here that'll make your living room pop?
Well, scan that QR code.
Welcome to my speakeasy space. This was once a dank and dark cellar that we brought back to life using style and influences from the Prohibition era. We painted the walls and exposed stone in a warm brown shade and added plenty of seating in the form of boucle banquettes and leopard printed dining chairs. And underneath it all, we placed these gorgeous antique rugs. Over the banquette, I went with these more traditional sconces with a pleated shade. The old world curve of those sconces contrasts beautifully with the ones between the arches. No speakeasy would be complete without a bar, so we custom created one with a wood top and a black tile side. We added pendants over the bar, and over one of the tables, we added a Fibonacci style chandelier. Overall, lighting just adds to the drama of this cinematic speakeasy, where every hour is happy hour.
Welcome to the den and the kids' room. When I designed this space, I really wanted to pay homage to the Brooklyn brownstone bones that the beautiful home has, but also add a touch of modern. It all started with this beautiful original fireplace, which we brought back to its former glory. I paired it with this fun Art Nouveau mirror, just to add a little quirkiness to the space. So to finish off this side of the space, I put in this really dramatic gallery wall, and it's set against this beautiful ochre paint color, and it really draws your eye up to the original crown molding and this airy sky blue ceiling. So the kids' room is the smallest room in the house, so I created this built-in bed platform which houses the mattress and the nightstand, and it's separated from the dresser area by this really fun pattern drapery. To add an extra layer of fun, I put in these great shelves for books and added this scalloped valance for the drapery. Thanks so much for taking a look at my work, and remember, so many of the things you've seen are shoppable, so scan that QR code.
Welcome to the primary suite. One of the first things that I decided to do was to give myself an accent ceiling. Everything is extremely neutral, but now we have a pop of color on that ceiling just to liven things up. You'll see this extremely modern light here, and then you've got these kind of mid-century light bulbs that just really brighten up the space. This is one of my favorite pieces in the room. You'll see I did this low-profile boucle bed, which has this beautiful curvature around the sides. Oh my gosh, I just want to crawl into this bed right now. The pillowcases, they match the comforter, and then we break things up a little bit with just a throw across the top of the bed, and then add a little punch of color with the pillow. To anchor the beds, I decided to go with these concrete side tables. For me, this makes the room feel extremely modern, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. We've got this beautiful bay window area, so I decided to make a seating vignette. I mean, I can imagine sitting here. I would even have a cocktail in this space. All right, friends, that's it for the primary bedroom suite. I'll see you on the next one.
Thank you so much for joining us at the 2024 Real Simple Home. Remember, if you saw anything you like, scan that QR code and get shopping. And for an even closer look at these amazing spaces, pick up a copy of the October issue of Real Simple, available now, or head over to realsimple.com.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more Open House coming your way.